We are in LA. I'm with Dan. We're at this spot. Haley Isaac's meeting up with us, but I am still sick, so I'm not skating. But I'm well enough to like be outside. But as you can tell, I'm like kind of cold still. I'm not dying like I was the other day, but I'm still coming out on the session. I'm just gonna film all day. I could not sit in my house for one more day. That's a good one.
It's sunny. I need sunscreen.
Are you actually putting sunscreen on?
I'm actually putting sunscreen on. Now I'm white.
Yee!
I was like, I actually tried to kickflip.
That's insane.
My board went.
Yes, bitch. Dude, you fucking pussy. There we go. Here it is. Oh! Wham, Haley Isaac. I'm really popular on Instagram. I'm a girl skater. I'm cashing in on the trend.
We're going.
Where are we going?
I'm gonna go home.
That's what I thought.
I'm gonna go home.
This place is fucked today. Brought Claire to the skate park. She's intimidated. Look at this shit. God damn. That's trash.
I got that one, but
See that? I got him.
yeah, I got that one, but Jason was in the way, so I couldn't actually see it.
It's fine, he's Mexican.
My girls played like 12 tricks. Your man,
None. Not a single
not
one.
a single trick. It's really embarrassing.
Oh,
now you're recording.
I've been recording.
Is this your channel?
Hello YouTube, this is Claire McCann. Welcome to my channel. Ooh. Damn, that would have been his face.
Today I'm back at Vans. Hopefully it's not as crowded as yesterday. We got Shredwards. What he said. Oh my God. Last video, we did a giveaway with Keen ramps. I'm gonna select that winner right now. Randomly. Winner, chickenless dinner. Cole Simpson, congratulations, you're the winner. I'm gonna be sending you a DM, but if you're watching this video, you can also leave a comment and I'll respond. I'll respond to all the comments in general. So leave a comment and I'll say hi to you. Anyway, Cole Simpson, you are the winner. Congratulations. You got a new box. Learn some shit. Send it to me and maybe I'll repost it. So.
You're sick. Oh my God, you better take that out of the video.
So, end of February, beginning of March, we are dropping the biggest slam and drop yet. Yes, I know. I say that every single time. But this drop is going to be so sick because we're doing new items and accessories that we haven't done before. And if you saw my Instagram story the other day, then you know what's to come. You know what color I'm making in a striped tee next. I'm picking up that sample this week, so you guys will see it here on YouTube in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.